Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will discuss some risks associated with using a public Wi-Fi and how you can protect yourself. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. What is a public Wi-Fi? Public Wi-Fi can be found in popular places like airports, shops, malls or hotels, and it allows you to access internet for free. These hotspots are so widespread and common that people frequently connect to them without thinking twice. The problem with public Wi-Fi is that there are a number of risks that go along with these networks. So let's discuss them. Man-in-the-middle attacks. One of the most common threats on these networks is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Essentially, a man-in-the-middle attack is a form of eavesdropping. When a computer makes a connection to the internet, data is sent from point A, which is your computer or mobile, to point B, which is website, right? And vulnerabilities can allow an attacker to get in between these transmissions and read them. So what you thought was private is no longer private. Unencrypted networks. Encryption means the messages that are sent between your computer and the router are in the form of a secret code, so that they cannot be read by anyone who doesn't have the key to decipher the code. Most routers are shipped from the factory with the encryption turned off by default, and it must be turned on when the network is set up. If an IT professional sets up the network, then chances are good that encryption has been enabled. However, this is not sure about public Wi-Fi's, right? Malware distribution. Thanks to software vulnerabilities, there are also ways that attackers can slip malware onto your computer without you even knowing. Hackers can exploit this weakness by writing code to target a specific vulnerability and then inject the malware onto your device. Snooping and Sniffing. Wi-Fi snooping and sniffing is what it sounds like. This technique can allow attackers to access everything that you are doing online, from viewing whole web pages you have visited, including any information you may have filled out while visiting the web page, to being able to capture your login credentials and even being able to hijack your accounts. Malicious hotspots. These malicious access points trick victims into connecting to what they think is legitimate network because the name sounds reputable, right? Suppose if you are staying at a Good Luck Hotel and want to connect to the hotel's Wi-Fi, you may think that you are selecting the correct one when you click on the other Good Luck, but you haven't. Instead, you have just connected to a malicious hotspot set up by attackers who can now view your sensitive information. So how to stay safe on public Wi-Fi? The best way to know your information is safe while using public Wi-Fi is to use a virtual private network when surfing on your PC, Mac or smartphone. However, if you must use public Wi-Fi, follow these steps to protect your information. So we will discuss what are the do's and don'ts for public Wi-Fi. Don't allow your Wi-Fi to auto-connect to networks, which can make your device vulnerable to connecting to malicious networks set up by attackers. Disable this feature to ensure you manually choose trusted networks. Don't log into any account with an app that contains sensitive information. Go to the website instead and verify they are using HTTPS before logging in. Don't leave your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on if you are not using them. It exposes your device to attackers looking to connect or to exploit the nearby devices. Don't access websites that hold sensitive information like your financial or healthcare accounts. Don't log on to a network that isn't password protected. Open networks are more prone to attacks because they lack encryption. And what are some do's? Disable file sharing. File sharing can expose your files to others on the same network. Only visit sites using HTTPS. We have already discussed some of the network security and network management protocols in our earlier video. So HTTPS encrypts the data exchange between your browser and the website, providing an additional layer of security. Check for the padlock icon in the address bar. Log out of accounts. When done using them, it prevents others from accessing your accounts if attackers gain access to your device or if the session remains active. And use a virtual private network (VPN) to make sure your public Wi-Fi connections are private. It makes it difficult for attackers to intercept your data. So guys, this is all we have for today. Keep these do's and don'ts in your mind while connecting with the public Wi-Fi next time. I hope you found this video insightful. Please like and share it with your friends. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon.